Hello on wildlife. Predators and prey, unexpected encounters, and breathtaking fights. Who will be stronger in this battle for survival? Let's go! Orcas love to play with their prey before eating it. In this moment, the birds were unlucky, and although one managed to hide in time near the pier, the other was less lucky. The California roadrunner knows just where to catch a meal, right by the hummingbird feeder. It freezes, then strikes in a flash. In this footage, the domestic geese were attacked by a feral cat. But the birds were lucky. A dog named Popey showed up in time and saved the goose from imminent death. A farmer on his ATV came to check the cows and found a leopard attacking one. Its jaws were around the cow's neck. Luckily, the farmer scared it off just in time. The cow survived. There are always many dangers on the deer migration way, and the main one is wolves. Predators have to take a chance while the deer are passing through their territory. And so one wolf decides to attack the whole herd, until he determines for himself one of the weakest. The young calf is quickly separated, and now wolf definitely sees and realizes his target. The predator is clearly faster. At full speed he begins to gradually catch up with his prey. That's it, victory for the wolf. This pelican picked the wrong time for a swim. It didn't see the giant crocodile lurking nearby. By the time it noticed, it was already lunch. A naive deer thought it could escape the bear by diving into the water. But that tactic didn't work. The satisfied bear calmly carried its prey back into the forest. This dog thought it was safe to bark at a cat from behind the fence. But cat was cool and fearless. It made its move, and ready to strike back. And here's a funny underwater showdown. Two fish, each guarding their own little hole, take turns furiously blasting sand at each other. Now watch this. An antelope leaps right into a leopard's claws. The camera couldn't turn fast enough, and the antelope never had a chance. A bold jackal attacked a baby impala, but mom was right there and managed to chase the predator away. Sadly, she couldn't save her baby. A baboon had been watching, and there was no chance of rescuing the fawn from its evil grasp. On a beach, a jaguar crept up on a group of capybaras. The babies ran for the water. Their mom was too slow. The cuttlefish is a fascinating sea predator. When it spots a crab, it starts hypnotizing it with mesmerizing movements until the crab is too stunned to flee. Then comes the lightning-fast strike. A pigeon tried flying through falcon territory. One powerful strike, and it dropped like a stone. This river stretches for miles, but the thirsty elephant chose to drink right where a hippo mother was resting with her baby. A short scuffle followed, but the elephant quickly backed off. A weird bird is about to eat a crab, but a stranger rescuer shows up, a mud skipper. The crab gets away. These cats decided to go fishing next to a koi fountain, and surprisingly, they had quite the successful catch. Good news for these baby falcons. Mom brought home a live duck for dinner. A hornbill landed on a branch right beside a nest. That could only mean one thing: the chicks were doomed. It grabbed one and flew off, and you can be sure it'll return for the rest. This rabbit tried to escape, but outrunning a fox is tough. To survive in the desert, this lizard has to hunt swarms of flies around a dried-up swamp. Its sticky tongue does the job well. But defending its spot from competitors is just as important. A giraffe mother is surrounded by lions. She knows her baby can't get away. A lioness pounces, and there's nothing the mother can do. A herd of zebras approached a crocodile-infested river. The bravest one, or maybe the most selfless, went first. Dozens of crocs attacked instantly. And the rest quickly changed their minds. Caught on camera at night, a fox sneaks up on a goose. One quick strike, and it has its meal. A monitor lizard chased a young deer into the water. But instead of waiting, it launched a direct attack. Escaping the jaws of this giant reptile? Nearly impossible. A leopard burst from the bushes and snatched a buffalo calf. The mother fought back, but couldn't save it. Wildebeests were crossing the river when a fat crocodile lunged at one. It clamped down on its leg and dragged it under. A frog's having a terrible day, attacked by two snakes at once. The snakes fight over it like it's a prize. Coyotes attacked two pet dogs, and their owner just kept filming. Despite not being fighting breeds, the dogs responded to a command and quickly sent the predators running.
When it stops, shoot it.
This desert wasp knows there's a spider under the sand and digs it up. The spider rolls away to escape, only to get caught by something else. Now watch this clever ambush. Lions target a lone zebra that wandered too far from the herd. A fatal mistake. A lioness almost caught a warthog, but missed with her claws. The little piglets got lucky. Next, a bold leopard sneaks up on two hornbills. Then leaps through the air and snatches one mid-flight. But in a shocking twist, the bird miraculously escapes and flies to safety. Sometimes crocodiles mistake an elephant's trunk for easy prey. One photo shows it happening, but we don't know if the baby elephant made it. Drone footage captured a shark chasing a stingray through crystal clear waters. But the ray stirred up a cloud of sand and escaped in the opposite direction. Genius move. Now here's some wild lion family drama. A male lion gets swarmed by angry lionesses. He's lucky his dominant brother arrives and settles things with a roar. A group of lionesses brought down a large buffalo, but this time, one of its herd came to the rescue. People filming geese were shocked when a raccoon tried to snatch a duckling. The parents fought back and scared it off for good. Now, a heartbreaking moment. A baby buffalo is attacked by monitor lizards. Its mother just stands and watches, helpless. Here's a perfect leopard ambush. A lone wildebeest goes down in seconds. Visitors were stunned when a peacock somehow flew into a panda enclosure. The panda didn't appreciate the guest. A fight broke out. Fortunately, staff rescued the badly shaken peacock. An unbelievable sight. A giant pike swims with a live duck in its mouth. The duck fights back, pecking its eyes. A bystander hits the fish with a stick, and later, the duck pops up alive on the far bank. A snake caught the attention of some house cats and sank its fangs into the most curious one. Let's hope it has all 9 lives to spare. This pigeon must have had a death wish. It flew straight into a kestrel's nest. The predator wasn't impressed. It taught the pigeon a lesson. Here's a stunning chase. A cheetah charges at a gazelle. The mother tries to help, but quickly realizes it's hopeless. One beetle attacked another and got blasted in the face with hot chemicals. It dropped its grip and backed off fast. A chained dog gets furious when a massive lizard trespasses on its territory, and it's not in the mood to forgive. To catch a vulture, this lioness needed serious hops and nailed the jump. Two bald eagles get locked in a mid-air fight and crash into the water. Hopefully, both made it out alive.
I've got good video.
Adult hyenas ran from danger, but the cubs didn't get away. A lion charged, and one was caught. Frogs and small fish are a snake's main course, but sometimes the prey looks too big to be swallowed. Not this time. No one expected this. A lion leapt into the air and struck a bird mid-flight. One woman was horrified to discover what her cow had done. Looks like it decided to give up vegetarianism. 1 second, a crocodile was eating fish. The next, it became a meal itself. Wild dogs surrounded a buffalo calf and were ready to feast, until lions showed up and stole their prize. Watch these lionesses. They spread out in tall grass and waiting. Where a buffalo walks too close, they pounce. There's no escape. An antelope tried to go horn to horn with a rhino. Let's just say, it instantly regretted that decision. This puma sized up a huge guanaco, then thought better of it. And yes, even a duckling can become lunch for a giant pike.